So in the Complete Management Program, we do a large section on lean and how to use lean processes to improve what you're doing. I just wanted to include this in our early introductory section because really we should be thinking in terms of being a lean manager. Lean is ubiquitous, it's everywhere. So the idea of having lean thinking is a really good idea. So what is lean thinking? Well, lean thinking is really having a focus on what we call value. So value in terms of lean is very specific. Value includes things that the customer is willing to pay for. So as a manager, you should be focused on your activity, adding value to the service, to the product, whatever it is you're offering your customer. So first of all, with lean thinking, there is a focus on value. And when we talk about value in terms of lean, it's quite specific. It means anything the customer is willing to pay for. So really, we as a manager want to spend most of our time doing things that in some way add value to our customer. So that could be add value to the service we give them. It could be add value to the product. It could be add value to the quality of what we're doing. So we focus on value. So whatever we're doing, how is that adding value to the business, to my customer? The flip side of value is waste, and we're trying to eliminate waste as much as we can. So waste is anything that we're doing that is not adding value, that the customer doesn't want to pay for, that doesn't help deliver to the customer the quality, the service, the product that we are trying to deliver. So we're trying to eliminate any activity of our own or indeed of our team that is not adding value, that is actually creating waste, wasteful activity, wasteful effort. So another element of a lean manager's thinking is that they tend to think in a systematic way rather than a haphazard way. So they will take a more scientific approach to data and information as opposed to just simply going with our gut. Will tend to be more evidence-based. Lean thinking also tries to empower people so that the people who are closest to the problem are able to fix the problem. So we give power and authority to people who are able to make the difference on the ground, so to speak. And obviously that means giving people more training, skills, but also authority to be able to make those sorts of decisions. And I've already mentioned that we're going to cover lean in a big way. There is actually a dedicated lean module on this program. So if you're really interested in lean, then skip ahead now and go on to that. And you can learn all about how to make change, to do improvements using a lean methodology.